So I think that it is fair to say that the SHIB community is finally fed up with Shytoshi Kusama, and a lot of people have expressed that, especially with this update that he has given for the SHIB burns. Now I think that this has been a long time coming, and a lot of people have been fed up with Shytoshi and how he hasn't really been doing anything for Shiba Inu token. So we will be diving straight into that topic first thing, but also stay tuned throughout the video because I do have an important update that Lucy has tweeted today on X about investing into cryptocurrency, and then I also have a Shibarium update for you as well. We've got a bit of positive news from there, and of course we will be having a look at the price action for Shiba Inu coin today, which is November the 4th. So you can see here it says that the Shiba Inu lead developer addresses concerns regarding Shibarium. Now of course a lot of people have been fed up with Shytoshi's cryptic messages over the past couple of months, and where we haven't even received any updates for the SHIB community. And so if you haven't already seen this and you've missed it, let's just dive into it. And I think one of the things that have actually caused a lot of people to get a little bit angry and frustrated is when he said I could have bought a Bugatti, but I made a game for the community. So I will actually touch on this, but let's just have a look at what he says. When he addresses the SHIB burns and how we have a lack of them, he says that he focuses on many use cases and put burns in, and he basically talks about how flooders attack, and so investors and partners won't take the project seriously, and so then they back down. It's kind of like a catch-22, and then he says there's no other way, and he goes that's the difference between him and others, yet he faces FUD, and for that we need identity, and we also need the S and S. So I think that his reply saying that I could have bought a Bugatti but I made a game for the community is a little bit immature, especially for the fact that a lot of people wanted him to actually be working and helping SHIB and the project, but instead he has actually focused on other projects, and he hasn't really given much of an update about the SHIB burns over the past couple of months as well, and has instead decided to ignore it. In addition to this, a lot of people said that the game wasn't really necessary to make for the community as well, and they would have rather seen more utility cases, because that in turn would have been able to increase with the partnerships and also increase the burn as well. And guys, it looks like the SHIB community has stayed strong and they have spoken out, and I think we realize by now that the Shiba Inu coin is doing fine by itself and it doesn't really need Shytoshi. But let me know down in the comment section below what you think about Shytoshi and what you think about his replies regarding all of this. So the update we have from Lucy is about investing in cryptocurrency, right, and making sure that you make the right decision. So Lucy says that in this crypto journey, trust your gut above all. Not speaking as a Shiba team member, but as someone who has been in the same boat, the crypto world is a maze. It's crucial to invest in projects that align with your beliefs and vibes. Never let anyone push you into the decisions you're not comfy with. Your instincts are your best guide. Don't just follow the crowd blindly. Always double check facts on your own. And let's face it, the crypto market's a jungle out there. There are tons of projects, some cool, some toxic, and some downright aggressive. When the market goes bear, the pressure gets intense. People tend to panic and jump ship, often ending up wrecked. Now I think that this is a very important message from Lucy, and I'm quite happy that Lucy actually mentioned this. Always invest in crypto projects that you believe in, and obviously you try to take as much calculated risk as possible and doing your research as well. There are a lot of crypto projects out there, and that also applies to projects such as Shiba Inu token. So make sure that you're actually buying what you want to buy, and guys, you don't have to stay in a certain token forever. You can always buy and sell, and you can even do day trading as well. So you've always got the options, and you always have to remember that when it comes to these cryptocurrency projects. So I like what Lucy has had to say with regards to this. And so the third headline we have is that Shiba Inu team shares exciting news regarding Shibarium integration by Top Wallet. We'll just have a quick look at this and then we'll get into the price for today. You'll see here that Lucy has shared exciting news concerning the integration of Shibarium, which is the cryptocurrency's layer 2 blockchain on Atomic Wallet. Just heard from some holders that Atomic Wallet has added Shibarium to their platform, but Atomic Wallet has yet to confirm whether it has officially integrated Shibarium into its platform. And in a tweet earlier on this year, the wallet revealed its preparations to have Shibarium run on its platform. And since the Manit version of Shibarium launched on August 16th, which is roughly about just over 2 months ago now, Atomic Wallet has been relatively silent about integrating the network. But the potential for this is that over 5 million Atomic users could have access to Shibarium. Despite Lucy announcing this. We still need to hear something from Atomic Wallet to see if they have integrated it or not. Now let's have a look at the price action today. You can see it is currently trading at 0.07865. It is up by 1.16% on the 1 day chart. For the volume, we are down by 26.11%. We are trading at 98.25 million. We are still doing pretty well on the price. We are still quite high and we are above that 0.075 level, which is a mid-range, and we are still staying strong. On the 7 day chart, we are up by 0.77%, so we are not doing too bad, but again with the price, Shiba Inu token is holding very strong. And again on the 1 month chart, we have had really good gains of around about 9%, and you can see here it has been holding quite well since the 24th of October, so it has been around about 2 weeks now, and we want to see if Shiba Inu is able to break that resistance level of 0.08. And Bitcoin has managed to creep back up again. It was trading at 34.4k yesterday, now it's at 34.8k, and it looks like as if it's on track and heading towards $35,000, but that is the next price target, so we will have to see if Bitcoin can reach that level. And the greed index is still at 72 points. Guys, if you want daily Shiba Inu coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.